I created this look using the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette. If you'd like to see how I created this look, keep watching. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit. And today I'm going to do just a little bit of a colorful look today. In my last video, I mentioned that I am shopping my own stash. And what that means is that I'm going to be going through some of the makeup that I already have in my collection and creating looks with those palettes that I already have. Not only just palettes, but blushes, highlighters, and things like that. So today I will be working out of the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette. And the inside of the palette looks like this. Very beautiful, colorful, bright shades. I haven't done a bright look in about 2 weeks or so, so I'm going to just dive into this colorful palette because I've been doing a lot of neutral looks. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I've already done my brows off camera, so I do have a little bit of concealer under my brows, and that would help with blending out the eye primer as well, because this primer is very light and white, which is what we're looking for to create a bright eye look. So I'm going to start out pretty light, and I'm going to use this shade called Brulee as a transition shade. So now that that's evenly blended, I want to go ahead and start building up my colors. So I'm going to be using this yellow shade, which is called Lit. Next, I'm going to be using the shade called Becky, which is this bright pink here. And to slightly deepen up the look, I'm going to use just a deeper shade, and that is this purple shade here called Pop Rocks. And I'm going to add that to my outer V, and I'm going to lightly blend it in to my transition area as well. So now I'm just going to cut my crease with that same eye primer. So next I'm going to take this shade called Tickle from the palette, and it is a glitter. It's a pressed glitter. It's sort of like the ColourPop pressed glitters, and I do believe Pinky Rose was one of the first brands to come out with these types of pressed glitters. So I'm going to see how it looks by itself. Okay, I think I need to apply, I'm going to apply the pink shade Becky on first, and then I'll go in with the glitter. So I popped on some lashes off camera, and I also primed my face with my Milk Hydro Grip primer, and the lashes that I'm wearing are by Contoured Lashes, and they are in the style Clutch. So for foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it is in the shade Butter Pecan. And I'm also going to add my Fasali Skin Tone Blur primer as well, just to give me more of a smoother finish. And now that we look like an Oopa Loopa, we're going to add our concealer, and this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel. And for setting powder, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using a mini Laura Mercier setting powder, and it is in medium deep. So now to add a little bit of warmth to my skin, I'm going to use the NYX California Beaming Bronzer. I'm going to use that to contour my nose as well as my cheeks to add a little bit of warmth. And I'm just going to add some color to my bottom lash line. I'm going to be using the purple shade, which is called Pop Rocks, and I'm also going to go in with the pink shade, which is called Becky as well. And I'm also going to pop on some bottom mascara, and this is the ColourPop BFF mascara in Brownie Points. And I'm going to add a little bit of brightness into my inner corner, and I'm going to be using this mint green shade, which is called Glitz. For setting spray, I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And for highlighter, I'm using my Ofra Cosmetics Beam the Haters. And for lips, I'm using my Fenty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Unleashed, and just adding that to my lips. And that is today's final look. I hope that you have enjoyed. Also like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.